Welcome! Punch!
Slithering. Watch out, watch out, watch out!
Securing the area around the escape pod.
Rebels in the zone.
Hello, motherfucker.
Fuck off.
Hello, motherfucker.
You got knocked the fuck out, man!
Surprise, motherfucker.
We have captured the escape pod.
Our probe droids have picked up another escape pod.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
Snoop Dogg.
You know I'm mobbing with the D.R.E.
Yeah. You know who's back up in this motherfucker. So blaze the weed up then. Blaze that shit up, nigga. Yeah. Sup, Snoop? And look at Randy Orton slithering. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Here's the cover. Woohoo!
We have captured the escape pod.
Coming for you, nigga.
Scanners are picking up the location of another pod.
Hello? Is it me you're looking for?
Do a barrel roll! Welcome! Punch!
All right. We have secured the area around the escape.
And his name is John C.
Your time is up, my time is now. You can't see me, my time is now.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
Snoop Dogg.
You know I'm mobbing with the D.R.E.
Yeah. You know.
Well, that was fucking dreadful.